Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 50 euro cents coin from Germany. Dated 2002 with the mint mark F. On the obverse side, this coin features the Brandenburg Gate, one of Germany's most famous landmarks and a strong symbol of unity and freedom. You'll also notice the year 2002 and the mint mark F, which represents the Stuttgart Mint. The reverse side shows the common European Union design, displaying the value 50 euro cent along with a map of Europe, symbolizing unity among EU member countries. The 2002 F Germany 50 euro cents coin is struck in Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Most of these coins are common in circulation, but high-grade uncirculated examples, or coins with minting errors, can be worth more to collectors. Always check your coin for errors such as off-center strikes, weak details, or die cracks, as these can increase its value. If you enjoy coin collecting videos like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique.